So I started off my level 2 gym instructor and then moved on to my level 3 personal trainer about 18 months ago. And from there, they give me access to more like anatomy and physiology aspects of people's conditions, disabilities. And then I moved on to level 3 disabled clients, which is even more targeted towards strength of balance, low impact, people who have conditions, hip, knee, shoulder conditions. And then the past 12 weeks, I've done my level 3 exercise referral course, which is accessed through the funding available at the Sports Centre. And the knowledge I've gained from the courses has helped me be more aware of people's conditions and how training can impact their conditions and how to adapt certain exercises to benefit some people more than it would others. So the first week of the class was mainly chair-based, so it was 15 chair-based exercises. And over the past 6 months, I've adapted that to only 7 chair-based exercises and 8 standing or machine-based exercises. So it's progressed from everyone being sat in a stationary position to now they've gained more mobility and access to doing different types of exercises that they weren't able to do at the start of the sessions.
So the classes are good as an exit for those finishing with NERS. It means that rather than being on their own in the gym or unsure what they're doing, they can come to the class and have extra support from staff as well.
I haven't been coming very long, only about 8 or 9 weeks, but I really enjoy it. It does boost your confidence and it has helped to improve my balance especially. And the people here are lovely. They've made us feel really welcome from day one. All about the same age, none of us are spring chickens. Everybody does what they can to their own ability. No one says anything if someone's not as good as someone else. You all just, and everybody helps each other.
I suffer with benign vertigo, so I was very giddy, and coming to these classes it has improved immensely. I also have a shoulder injury which is better, and also a back problem which it has done me very, very good. We all get on and it's a lovely, lovely class. I'm so glad I joined.
Well, we both have medical problems. I mean,
yeah, we got a few bits and pieces wrong with us. I've only got one leg, so I suffer with my balance and so on. But what I've found with doing certain things in there, it has made my balance a lot better.
I had a heart attack, and I thought, well, I gotta keep doing something to try and keep myself going. And it's like the stretching and balancing classes. I find it brilliant because when we first started coming, I didn't have much stretching movement, shall we say, but now I'm finding
your belly's too big.
Look at this.
But no, we enjoy it anyway, we really do it. Yeah. And great, as I say, great bunch of people here, and we all have a good laugh.
We have a good laugh, yeah.